Hi! Today we are going to make tofu soup, which has been inspired by TV cakes. This recipe is so forgiving and you can actually use all the vegetables that you like, and actually it contains a lot of chopping, and if you feel like chopping is therapeutic, this recipe is for you. If you want to know a funny fact about tofu, it's been pounded 2000 years ago by a cook who accidentally mixed soya milk with seaweed, and boom, tofu being created and becomes staple ingredient for many Asian cuisines. And here you can see I added sesame oil and gochujang paste. I added garlic and ginger and onions, let them simmer for a while. I chives, soya sauce, and chili paste, and actually chili powder. And you put water to it, add tofu to it, and let it simmer for a while. You can add the rest of your ingredients like you can see. It's funny thing how actually a recipe of 1.5 hours, it's become only 2 minutes, and you can enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Actually, this is my first time attempting this recipe and I really loved it. Bye bye.